What we got, Mr. Spence?
We got presents. Presents from Wasp Performance. Hey, that's quite cool, isn't it? This is their first ever alternator for a Volkswagen Type 1 engine that we're gonna put in the hand luggage, take it over to LA when the car finally gets there, and fit it before SEMA. But this has got to be something special. Size of that box.
Yeah.
I've only ever known Wasp for start motor, high torque start motors, and I use Wasp. I've actually got a Wasp on my Oval, which was years ago. I've got a Wasp one on the Feature buggy, the Subaru Turbo buggy. I used to get them through Heritage and stuff. I met up with Wasp at SEMA last year, and we spoke about them building alternators for air called Volkswagen. This is the first one now.
Look at the box.
Oh,
I got the stickers. Mine.
quite like that. Hey, look at that. How exciting. Made in Britain.
It's quite a trick, that, isn't it?
Quite nice, isn't it? Quite nice, actually.
Quite nice, actually.
Ali G reference. I'll tell you what, that's some weight in my backpack.